Welcome to 4231 West Wilson Avenue, only a couple of blocks from the Kedzie Brown Line station. We're looking today at a beautiful 5-bedroom, 3-bath, and even 2 kitchens. So as we walked in the front door there, we're on the left here, we have the dining room. Very nice hardwood floors throughout. And we're going to go back to the eat-in kitchen. Nice window, room for a table. Very nice stainless steel side-by-side fridge freezer, good counter space, microwave, and a 5-burner stove. So back out through the dining room, nice and bright, notice all the windows. And off to the left here is the master suite. Nice room for a good-sized bed. The doors are off that closet because we expect you'll want to put a wardrobe of some kind in there, or maybe just a dresser. And we're going to go back here to the dressing room where you have lots of closet space. And there's the attached bathroom. Nice tub and shower. Updated. So let's go through this bedroom again. And on the left here we have another bathroom. This would serve the main area as well as the second bedroom. And here we are into bedroom number 2. Nice size. You'll notice that it's so well maintained. Lots of closet space. And of course a window looking out on some green trees. And now we're going to go next door here, down through the dining room. The door on the right is where we came in. And this is bedroom number 3. That's the last upstairs bedroom. And now we're going to a very expansive and fascinating living room. You've got some private, semi-private space behind there, full fireplace, and look at the beautiful stained glass in the windows, lead glass, bookshelves with mirrors, and on the right is sort of a semi-private little area. Looks to me like it would be great for an office. Peaceful street out front, and here we have the steps downstairs. And check out this huge family room. Great size. Off this room is another bedroom. Nice closet space. And as we go along here, we're going to go out into an area that has an outside entrance. And this is could be a game room, could be an office. It's not counted as one of the bedrooms. Just off to the side here is your furnace, hot water, front-loading washer dryer, and another closet. And into the right here we have another bathroom, bathroom number 3. And here is the 5th bedroom, good size, closet behind the door, and surprise, we have another kitchen with a back entrance. 2-door fridge again. The stove here is electric, upstairs it's gas, 5-burner gas. So let's go back through here, and remember this is a duplex unit. It has 2-zone heating and air conditioning, central air of course. If you'd like to take a look at it, we're looking to rent this quickly but to the right people. Nice and bright, light pouring in the windows, and again I have to point out because I just love them, the beautiful stained glass. 4231 West Wilson. Give us a call. We'd love to show it to you. 773-961-7962.